Doctors in La Crosse are seeing more drug overdose patients in the hospital. News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstad is tracking some of the numbers this year.
And one La Crosse doctor says it is possible an especially dangerous drug is moving through our community.
Yeah, Martha and Mike, I also spoke to a la-crosse-fire-department official today who says drug overdose deaths come in waves in the region, and typical drug users don't know the difference between these especially dangerous drugs, and that means more people can lose their lives. Things were looking better in the fight against drug overdoses in La-Crosse County.
We had a nice steady decreasing trend up until the pandemic.
Society hit a wall.
I think the pandemic has put a lot of stress on people.
The opioid epidemic is nothing new, but the pandemic piled on to the country's mental health problems. People turned to drugs to fill the holes the pandemic dug into people's lives.
Last year, basically doubled what we had been seeing.
La-Crosse County lost 40 people to drug overdoses in 2020. This year, hospitalizations spiked significantly.
Even more unfortunate, the medical examiner's office has noticed that there are investigating currently more suspected overdose deaths in the last couple weeks.
The most recent investigation involves a body discovered in Cameron Park last Sunday.
So when you add all this up, you're looking at the potential of a more fatal or potent dose of narcotics in our area.
These drugs Eberline refers to are especially dangerous because they are made with other narcotics that take small amounts to kill.
About 90% of our opiate deaths this year have been from fentanyl.
An official with the La-Crosse Fire-Department says they've responded to 34 overdoses this year. He said that number is likely higher. Al Bliss from the la-crosse-county-health-department confirmed 13 drug overdose deaths as of May 27th in La-Crosse County. That number is an improvement so far compared to last year.
Last year was pretty tough seeing those numbers keep climbing. And this year, we'll be at half we were at last year if this continues, which would be good.
County health leaders would like to see 0 deaths.
One death is too many.
Now, Eberline says the use of Narcan is a big help for emergency crews. That helps drug overdose victims breathe again within seconds of its use.
Okay, thanks a lot, Jordan. Eberline says telehealth visits during the pandemic also help people with substance abuse disorders.
Yeah, those visits help them overcome barriers so they could get the help they need.